Anytime you see this on your socket outlet, you must immediately replace that socket outlet. In this video, I am going to show a step-by-step procedure of how to replace your own electrical socket outlet. Whether you are a beginner or an electrical enthusiast, I'm going to show you in this video how you can safely replace your own socket outlet. This is okay, but you need a replacement because of this. Now, if you want to do this all by yourself, make sure that before you open this, the circuit breaker that controls this must go off. As you can see, there is power here. So before we open this to do any connection at all, we need to first make sure that the supply is cut off from this particular circuit. If you are able to do that, you can go ahead to replace this on your own. If you are not able to do that, make sure you call a professional electrician to help you out. Alright, so let's go and switch off the breaker that connects to this circuit. Okay, so no more current here. So we go ahead to open the circuit. Alright, so the next step is that before you disconnect the wires, make sure that you identify the terminals that each of the wires is connected. So for instance, the terminal where the red wire is connected is marked L. Where the black wire is connected is marked N for neutral. And then where the yellow and green is connected is earth. So that the next socket you are connecting, you connect the wires to their corresponding terminals. Okay, so you have L, N, then you have the symbol for earth. Here also the symbol for earth. So neutral goes to the terminal marked N. Then you tighten it. Red goes to L. And then earth. Thank you very much for watching this video. Please, if you have learned something useful from watching this video, kindly subscribe and share with others to also benefit. Thank you very much again. See you in the next video.